Happy 457th founding anniversary, Province of Cebu. For 457 years, Cebu has been shaped by the warmth, courage, and determination of its people. As we celebrate this milestone, we honor not only our rich heritage, but also our shared commitment to building a brighter future for every Cebuano. I am proud that in just 1 year, we have already come a long way. Together, we have begun strengthening our hospitals, supporting our farmers and fisher folks, improving disaster preparedness, promoting transparency, and bringing government closer to the people. While we know there's still much work ahead and a lot of catching up to do, we move forward with one promise. Your provincial government will never stop striving to give every Sugboanon the quality of service they deserve. Our journey is far from over, but with your trust, unity, partnership, I am confident that the best days of Cebu are still ahead. We will continue to listen, continue to improve, and continue to fight for a Cebu where every family has the opportunity to live with dignity, security, and hope. That is the future we are building together. Happy 457th founding anniversary, Cebu. Padayon ta, mag-uban ta, alang sa mas malig-on, mas maayo, ug mas malambuong Sugbo.